Hi guys! Today I'll be showing you how to install Windows 10 operating system on the VirtualBox. As you can see, I have it running already, but if you do not have it installed yet, I have a video uploaded for that, so you can check it out on the link provided on the description box below. First thing we need to do is to search for the Microsoft official website, then go to the Evaluation Center. Here we can see different Windows products and resources, but what we're looking for is this Windows 10 Enterprise, which is free to use for 90 days. Just go ahead and fill those informations as, then click continue. Select the platform you need. I'm going to choose the 64-bit version, and after that, just click the download button. Now let's go back to our VirtualBox. Click the new button. I'm going to name it Windows 10. As you can see, it automatically selects the same OS for me. Click next, then customize it with the memory size you want. You can go higher than the recommended memory size. Just do not go below that to make sure your system is working well. I'm going to select this one, create a virtual hard disk now. You can always skip this step and just make changes once your system is installed. Then click create. Now you need to choose the hard disk file type you want, but for this tutorial, let's go with the default VDI. Then click next. You can also choose whether you want your hard disk dynamically allocated or you want it fixed. On the file location and size, as you can see, it already shows a file path where I can save my .vdi files. But of course, you can always choose the path you want for it. You can also set a limit for how much amount of file data you want your virtual machine to store. I'd go with 50 GB, then click create. So now you can see the following specifications that our operating system will be placed later on. And if in case you want to change something, you can just simply click this cog or the settings up here. I can still change the name, type, version if I wanted to. Let me just change this shared clipboard to bidirectional, as well as this drag and drop. The purpose is this too is that for us to be allowed to copy and paste between the host machine and the guest machine or vice versa. Going here on the system, on the motherboard tab, if you want to adjust the base memory, you can do so here. Let's give this to CPU. Of course, you should not configure virtual machines to use more CPU cores than are available physically. You can only go on this extent on the green line. And then let's go here on the storage tab. Here's where we're going to need the ISO file we just downloaded a while ago. Click on the empty option here. Then click choose a disk file. Locate your ISO file, then click open. So once you see your file on your storage, and once you click on OK, select on the start button up here. And now you can see your Windows 10 installation is now starting. Here you can choose the language you prefer for the installation, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. I think I'm good with the current settings. So click install now. I'll have mine installed here in the unallocated space. It's up to you whether you want to partition it first. Almost there. The next steps, just simply follow the directions. And it's done. You have your Windows 10 installed virtually using the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial, and if you do, please leave us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it to keep you updated with our latest videos always. Thank you!